Blue sUAS drone manufacturer Inspired Flight has introduced the IF-1200, a heavy-lift drone, setting standards in flight endurance and payload capacity. The latest offering from U.S. drone manufacturer Inspired Flight ticks all of the boxes for enterprise drone projects. Inspired Flight's heavy-lift hexacopter was originally designed for U.S. Department of Defense clients and is NDAA compliant, engineered and manufactured entirely in the U.S., offering a platform that meets government and enterprise security requirements. Most importantly, the IF-1200A offers category-leading functionality, payload flexibility, impressive flight endurance, and a rugged airframe. Put together, these capabilities make the IF-1200A an industrial workhorse in the under 55-pound, appropriate for Part 107 pilots, category. Open source architecture and a universal payload interface. One tool, many uses. Aerial data collection comes in many forms, and this heavy lift allows customers to use a single aircraft to easily accommodate multiple sensor needs. Inspired Flight described the IF-1200 as the most modular drone on the planet. The IF-1200A retains that flexibility while increasing payload capacity to 20 pounds. In addition to ready-to-fly integrations with optical, thermal, and LiDAR sensors, the IF-1200A's open-source architecture allows for custom payload integrations to meet the unique needs of any organization. Government and civil customers can utilize the IF-1200A platform for applications including precision agriculture, construction, surveying, inspection, and security. An 85% increase in flight time. Flight endurance is directly influenced by weight, so for heavy-lift drones, flight time is a significant issue to overcome. The IF-200A has been engineered to achieve a major upgrade in flight time, up to about 45 minutes with a smaller payload, and 25 minutes carrying a full 20 pounds. In an interview with Tito Robotics at the AUVSI Exponential 2022, Inspired Flight's Director of Product Matt Stolmeyer talked about using Tito's test stand to extend flight endurance for the IF-1200A. We were able to test these motors, find out which one was the most powerful, which one was the most efficient, and that allowed us to get industry-leading flight times out of this vehicle. In addition to a secure, modular heavy-lift platform, Inspired Flight is committed to offering customers a reliable product and a robust support operation. In an interview with Danielle Gagny in Stories from 400 Feet, Director of Sales Adam Bilmes emphasizes the company's reputation for hands-on, accessible customer support. What you're getting with us is a company that is really regarded for reliability and safety, which will always be our first focus, and we've really built out a support function, I think that's critical for this industry to really take off. Read more commercial drone news at dronelife.com.